Today, I've got something truly remarkable to share with you. In the world of manifestation, there's a secret technique that was once exclusively revealed to Neville Goddard's most privileged clients. This method possesses the incredible potential to manifest substantial wealth, and we're talking about potentially billions of dollars, in an astonishingly short period. Neville Goddard's confidential wealth manifestation method is your golden ticket to prosperity. It's been concealed from the public eye, only accessible to a select few. But what if I told you that there's an undisclosed method capable of swiftly bringing a vast fortune into your life? A method with the power to materialize billions of dollars for you. Before I unveil this technique, I'd like to ask a small favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. Your support means the world to me and enables me to reach more individuals who can benefit from this profound knowledge. Your generosity and kindness are greatly appreciated. This secret technique is on the brink of revolutionizing your life forever. You're about to discover how to use this secret to manifest money, wealth, love, and everything your heart desires. Welcome to the transformative world of reality creation. Discover the incredible power of your thoughts and feelings in shaping the reality you experience. In this journey, we'll unveil how your inner landscape influences your external world. From understanding the profound connection between consciousness and your reality to crafting an VIP exercise inspired by Neville Goddard, we'll explore techniques to manifest your desires and achieve the reality you envision. Join us in uncovering the secrets of thought and emotion in shaping your life. Manifesting money through consciousness. Creating money and prosperity involves mastering your thoughts and feelings, particularly concerning wealth and financial success. Imagine transitioning from a current income of $40,000 yearly to envisioning a substantial increase to $500,000. This shift requires more than a superficial visualization. It demands a complete alteration of self-perception and behavior. Envisioning this financial growth should encompass every aspect of your life. How would you carry yourself, manage your finances, and interact with others as someone earning that higher income? Embrace this vision entirely, immerse yourself in those feelings, and let this be your guiding force in the present moment. Manifesting money through consciousness example. For instance, if you aspire to increase your income from $40,000 to $500,000 a year, immerse yourself in the feelings and experiences of someone earning that substantial amount. Visualize the emotions associated with financial stability, luxury, and success. Feel the weight of that extra income in your bank account, the sense of security and freedom it provides, and the joy of abundance. By consistently experiencing these emotions, you align yourself with the energy of prosperity and attract corresponding financial experiences. The second aspect of manifesting what you desire involves a shift towards spirituality over solely adhering to physicality. Recognizing that consciousness stands as the ultimate reality is fundamental. Your thoughts and emotions aren't fleeting occurrences but concrete elements of consciousness, as real as tangible objects in space. Given that feelings are the triggers for the actions, events, and circumstances in the three-dimensional world, it's vital to avoid nurturing emotions that don't contribute to your happiness. This understanding also implies that your thoughts and emotions shape your experiences and situations. When you entertain feelings that are aligned with your desires and bring joy and positivity, you set in motion a sequence of events and circumstances that correspond to these emotions. Conversely, indulging in negative or discordant emotions creates a cycle of events that mirror those sentiments. Therefore, aligning your emotions with your aspirations is crucial, as they serve as the compass guiding the course of your life. The core concept is that your reality is flexible and can change based on the primary thoughts and emotions you hold. By consciously shaping your inner world and being disciplined in maintaining feelings that resonate with your desires, you pave the way for the manifestation of these desires into your external reality. Through discipline and a deep understanding of the power of consciousness and emotions, you have the ability to sculpt your reality in harmony with your aspirations. Now, let's plunge into the mind-bending concept of the holographic nature of reality together. Imagine your reality as a hologram, a complex projection of your inner state and feelings. It's vital to recognize that everything you perceive through your senses, what you see, hear, touch, taste, and smell, is a direct reflection of your consciousness. The essence of this understanding is that nothing is fixed or solid in your reality, everything is fluid and changeable. You are not a passive observer but the active creator of your own experience, with the power to shape it in alignment with your desires. What does this mean for you? It means that you can change anything in your reality by changing yourself first. You can transform your circumstances, relationships, health, wealth, and happiness by shifting your inner state and feelings. You can create miracles by aligning with the infinite potential that lies within you. How do you do this? By using the power of your imagination. Your imagination is the tool that allows you to access and modify the hologram of your reality. Your imagination is not just a fantasy or a daydream, it is a creative force that shapes your experience. Your imagination is the bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind, where all the seeds of your reality are planted. One of the most effective ways to use your imagination is to practice the Neville Goddard exercise that he taught his VIP students. This exercise is simple but powerful, and it can help you manifest anything you desire. Here are the steps to follow. 1. Choose a specific goal or wish that you want to realize in your reality. It can be anything that you truly desire, as long as it is realistic and believable for you. 2. Relax your body and mind by breathing deeply and calmly. Find a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for at least 15 minutes. 3. Enter into a state akin to sleep, where you are still awake but very relaxed and drowsy. This is the state where your subconscious mind is most receptive and impressionable. 4. Imagine a scene that implies the fulfillment of your wish. It should be something that would happen after your wish has come true, not before or during. For example, if you want to get married, imagine yourself wearing a wedding ring or celebrating with your spouse. If you want to travel, imagine yourself at your destination or looking at your passport. Make sure the scene is vivid and detailed, and involves all your senses. 5. Feel the reality of the scene as if it were happening right now. Feel the emotions that you would feel if your wish were true. Feel the joy, gratitude, love, excitement, or any other positive feeling that comes with your wish. Feel it as intensely as possible, and let it fill your whole being. 6. Repeat the scene over and over again in your mind until it feels natural and real. Do not worry about how or when it will happen, just focus on the feeling of having it now. 7. When you are done, let go of the scene and return to your normal waking state. Do not dwell on it or obsess over it, just trust that it has been impressed on your subconscious mind and will manifest in your reality. 8. Repeat this exercise every day until your wish comes true. You can also do it before going to sleep or after waking up, as these are times when your subconscious mind is more active. By doing this exercise regularly, you will create a new pattern in your subconscious mind that will override any old beliefs or limitations that may have been blocking you from achieving your wish. You will also align yourself with the vibration of your wish, which will attract it into your reality like a magnet. At the core of manifesting lies a single requirement: your belief and preparation for receiving what you desire. Neville Goddard emphasizes the crucial element of yielding to the belief that your wish is already fulfilled. Let's delve into the steps that help you align with this principle and ultimately manifest your desires. Firstly, it's essential to discipline your thoughts and feelings, disregarding your present circumstances in the physical world. Goddard encourages us to maintain a vision that contradicts our current reality. Instead of being influenced by the external, focus on creating your internal state, feeling and imagining the life you desire as if it's already your reality. Furthermore, understanding that consciousness is the ultimate reality is key. Recognize that your thoughts and feelings are as real as physical objects. By maintaining a spiritual mindset and recognizing the illusory nature of the physical world, you can detach from comparison and logical sequences, allowing your desired reality to unfold effortlessly. Next, Goddard highlights the importance of reaching a passive state, akin to the feeling before sleep. This state allows you to immerse yourself in the feeling of already having your wish fulfilled. Through relaxation and visualization, you can evoke a sensation of having already achieved your desires. This passive state is crucial in programming your subconscious mind with the reality you wish to experience. This technique involves imagining and feeling as though your desires have already manifested. By consistently accessing this state before sleep, you impress upon your subconscious the feeling of your wish fulfilled. This sends a powerful directive to the universe or subconscious mind, initiating the process of making your desires a reality. Understanding these principles is crucial, but mastery requires practice and dedication. Disciplining your mind, changing your concept of self, and consistently immersing yourself in the feeling of having already attained your desires are key steps. Neville Goddard's reverse course technique, as described in his book The Power of Awareness, is a powerful tool to develop this ability further. It helps in training your mind to capture and sustain the feeling states required for successful manifestation. For a more detailed exploration of these concepts and practical applications, consider utilizing resources available on my website manifestingreality.com. Disciplining one's thoughts and feelings involves consciously redirecting your focus away from the current circumstances in the physical world. Consider this scenario: suppose you aspire to start a successful business but are currently employed in a job that doesn't align with your goal. Instead of dwelling on the limitations of your present situation, envision and feel the success of your business. Picture yourself interacting with clients, managing your team, and reveling in the accomplishments of your business. This is the mindset shift that Neville Goddard emphasizes, a persistent focus on the desired outcome, regardless of the existing external reality. Understanding consciousness as the ultimate reality requires a shift in perspective. It's recognizing that our thoughts and emotions hold significant power in shaping our experiences. Imagine someone aspiring to find their life partner. Instead of fixating on the lack of a relationship, they would shift their consciousness by embodying feelings of love, gratitude, and contentment as if their ideal relationship is already a part of their reality. This shift in focus establishes the foundation for attracting the desired experience. The passive state, akin to the feeling before sleep, is a powerful tool for manifestation. Imagine yourself lying down comfortably, ready to drift into sleep. But before you doze off, bring to mind the specific desire you wish to manifest. Engage your senses, feel the emotions, visualize the scenes, and bask in the joy of already having achieved your desire. For example, if your goal is financial prosperity, imagine the excitement and relief of receiving a substantial check or securing a lucrative deal. Let this feeling engulf you as you slowly drift into sleep, firmly believing that your wish is already fulfilled. By consistently entering this passive state with the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you imprint your subconscious mind with this new reality. This impression sends a strong directive to the universe, setting the wheels in motion to align your physical reality with your envisioned state. But wait, there's more. I would like to share with you a very powerful secret VIP technique and exercise that goes beyond the usual manifestation practices, tapping into the profound depths of imagination to bring your desires to life. I'll delve into this technique step by step in a more detailed and engaging manner. The $5 million technique, manifesting your desires. In times of need or when you're craving a change in your financial circumstances, this technique can be a game changer for you. Imaginative preparation. Firstly, visualize yourself holding your phone, waiting for a significant call. This call could be from anyone you choose. It might be your closest friend, a past partner, or even a potential employer. The key here is not just to imagine but to deeply immerse yourself in the scenario. Now, let's make this visualization exercise more effective. 1. Clear intentions. Select a specific individual from whom you wish to receive this pivotal call. 2. Set the scene. Find a quiet, meditative space, keeping your phone within reach. 3. Engage your senses. The success of this technique relies on the depth of your imagination. Engage all your senses. Feel the texture of the money, hear the caller's voice, even the ringtone of your phone. Internalize these sensations. Deep imagination. 1. Sensory imagination. While in a meditative state, imagine vividly. Picture yourself sitting in a particular place, and let the phone ring. Answer it and hear the voice of the individual you've chosen. Feel the conversation as if it's happening in real time. 2. Construct dialogue. Script the conversation you will have with this person. Have a clear image of your phone screen and familiarize yourself with the ringtone multiple times beforehand. But here's the big reveal: Neville Goddard's money manifestation secret that even his most exclusive students kept hush-hush. Unveiling the technique. This isn't your ordinary visualization exercise. It's renowned as the $5 million technique, and let me tell you, it's no ordinary magic trick. The results speak for themselves. Neville Goddard himself reportedly made a whopping $5 million using this technique. Astonishing, right? So, what exactly does this technique entail? This method is all about diving deep into your imagination, a fundamental aspect of Neville Goddard's teachings. It involves virtually engaging with an individual in your mind, conversing with them as if they are the benefactor providing you with the wealth you desire. Understanding the power of imagination. Talking to an imaginary person might sound a bit far-fetched when it comes to manifesting actual money. I get it, I had my reservations too. But after trying it out, the outcomes were astonishing. This technique creates an imaginary yet powerful connection with an imagined millionaire friend who is eager to support you financially. It's a profound process that might sound whimsical but has proven to yield tangible results. The beauty of this technique lies in its versatility. It's not limited to wealth manifestation. You can employ this method to reunite with a past partner, manifest your dream job, or even bring a desired individual into your life. Neville Goddard's $5 million technique in practice. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process that Neville Goddard used and shared with his VIP students. 1. Set the scene. Find a quiet space, get into a relaxed state, and keep your phone nearby. 2. Visualize intensely. Imagine vividly that you're in a specific place, your phone rings, and it's the person you've chosen. Engage all your senses, envision the conversation, and even rehearse the ringtone. 3. Dialogue creation. Script the conversation between you and the caller in advance, ensuring clarity and specificity. Through this exercise, Neville Goddard proposed that the deep engagement of your imagination could yield tangible results in a remarkably short period. So, get ready to dive into the realms of your imagination and unlock the doors to manifesting your deepest desires using Neville Goddard's $5 million technique. Remember, you are the master of your own hologram. You can change anything in your reality by changing yourself first. Use the power of your imagination to create the life you want, and enjoy the wonders of living in a holographic universe. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website, where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.